Welcome back to SysTech. You're watching Resetting a Password on the Community Edition Overleaf server. This video is for those who manage an on-premises Community Edition Overleaf server without an SMTP setup. If you're dealing with a user who forgot their password and didn't get the reset-powered email link, this video is for you. I'll show you step-by-step how to reset their password on your own Overleaf server. Let's get started. Step 1. Log in to your Overleaf server as admin. Go to the admin menu and click on Manage Users. Register the user again with the same email. Don't worry, their projects would not be deleted. Copy the token provided. Create a new URL with this token. Replace the server address placeholder with your server's address. Change XYZ to the token you copied. Put in the user's email address. Step 3. Send this new URL to the user. Or you can use it yourself to reset their password. Just make sure to send it securely. Let me show you using my own account. Open your web browser. Paste the URL into the address bar. Enter the new password. Success! You're in. Use the new password to log in. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you and goodbye.